Hello and welcome, everyone. We are so excited you're here to learn with us today. So let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel like you want your English to sound just a little bit clearer, a little more natural? Well, guess what? We have a really simple secret for you today that's going to make a huge difference. So what is this big secret? It's all about something called consonant clusters. Let's dive right in and talk about what they are. Okay, so the official definition is a consonant cluster is when two or more consonant sounds are right next to each other. And the key thing is there's no vowel sounds squeezing in between them. That's exactly right. Think of it like a little team of consonant sounds, all sticking together. And notice, we keep saying sounds, not letters. That's a super important detail. A perfect example is the word stop. You can hear that S sound, S, and the T sound, T, are right next to each other. There's nothing in between. ST, stop. So why should you even care about this? Well, number one, clarity. Getting these clusters right really helps people understand you without having to ask, what did you say? And number two, it just makes you sound more natural. It gives your English that smooth, flowing rhythm that native speakers have. It's a game changer for sure. Okay, so how do we actually say these things correctly? It's way easier than you might think. You just have to remember two golden rules. Golden rule number one, you have to say both sounds. So if you see a cluster like PL, you got to make the P sound and the L sound. Don't skip one. And here's golden rule number two. And honestly, this is the most important one. Do not add an extra vowel. This is the most common mistake we hear, but it's also the easiest one to fix once you know about it. And this slide shows that mistake perfectly. A lot of learners will say e-stop, but the word doesn't start with an E sound, right? It starts with that S sound. S, stop. Exactly. The key is to just jump right into that first consonant. No little vowel sound before it. Just S, stop. You try it. Okay, enough with the rules. The best way to learn is by doing, right? You bet. So let's practice some of the most common clusters together. Make sure you say these out loud with us. First up, we've got PL. Let's break it down. P-L. Put them together, play. Your turn. Play. Awesome. Now let's do TR. The sounds are T-R, which makes tree. Listen again and say it with me. Tree. You're doing great. Here's our old friend ST. You know this one. S-T. Stop. Let's hear you say it. Stop. Wonderful. Next one is FL. So that's F-L. Fly. Go for it. Fly. Perfect. All right, and our last one for this practice round. GL. The sounds are G-L. Together that's glass. Say it nice and clear. Glass. Fantastic work. See, the more you say them, the easier they get. You've totally got this. Okay, you've learned the rules, you've done the practice. I think you're ready for a little challenge. It's time for a mini quiz. And hey, don't worry, it's just for fun. All right, here are 5 words on your screen. All you have to do is say each one and figure out which of them start with a consonant cluster. Ready? The words are car, blue, speak, ship, and friend. Go ahead and pause right now if you need a moment to think. Okay, pencils down. You ready for the answers? The words that have consonant clusters are blue with that BL cluster, speak with the SP cluster, and friend with the FR cluster. How'd you do? Now, you might be wondering, what about car and ship? Well, car just starts with one consonant sound, K, so no cluster there. And ship, this is the tricky one. Even though it starts with 2 letters, S and H, they team up to make just one sound, sh, so no cluster. Remember, it's all about the sounds, not the letters. Great job if you spotted that. Wow, you did an amazing job with that. We've gone over so much today. So let's wrap things up with a super quick summary of the most important things to take away. So, the 3 big things to remember are, first, a cluster is 2 or more consonant sounds all together. Second, you have to say all the sounds in that little team. And third, the golden rule. Do not add an extra vowel sound. Remember, it's speak, not e-speak. That one is huge. And to help you put this all into action, we have a little mission for you.
Your challenge for today is to say this sentence out loud. It's packed with consonant clusters. I plan to fly to a great place. Yes, this is the perfect practice sentence. You've got PL in plan, FL in fly, GR in great, and PL in place. Just say it slowly a few times, then maybe try to speed it up. You can do it.
And there you have it. That's our whole explainer on consonant clusters. Thank you so much for joining us and practicing with us today. Really, the key is just practice, practice, practice. Keep up the fantastic work, and we can't wait to see you next time. Bye for now.